Have you ever wondered how your car's transmission stays clean and efficient? Today, we're breaking down the automatic transmission filter, what it does, why it's important, and when to replace it. The purpose of the transmission filter is to collect any contaminants in the lubricating fluids, such as dirt and debris, preventing them from being sent into the transmission. The transmission filter is located above the transmission pan, which is the component that catches the excess fluid. If your automatic transmission filter is clogged, you will see a fluid leak under the vehicle and experience rough or delayed shifting. It will turn on the dashboard's check engine light and store the automatic transmission related error codes. Short distance driving is permitted if you find these symptoms in your car, but your vehicle should be repaired ASAP. To save more money on car expenses, purchase an engine code eraser by clicking the description link below. Most manufacturers recommend changing the transmission filter every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, but this varies by vehicle. Always check your owner's manual for the recommended service interval. Regular maintenance, including changing your transmission filter, helps keep your car running smoothly and extends the life of your transmission. Don't ignore the signs, stay ahead of potential problems, and enjoy a smoother ride. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more automotive tips, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.